In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track when people open your emails using Hubspot. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can effectively monitor your email campaigns and gauge recipient engagement. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. Head over to HubSpot's website where you'll find a page dedicated to trial users. This will serve as your starting point. It's from this hub that you'll access all the essential tools and features HubSpot offers for tracking email interactions. Once you're on the trial guide page, right away you're going to see a multitude of options laid out in the main navigation menu. Next, you'll need to click on the Marketing tab. This section of HubSpot is where all the promotional activities are centrally managed and monitored. Clicking it will take you to various marketing tools and resources available at your disposal. These are specifically designed to enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns and provide insights into their performance. Now, proceed by clicking on Email. This step takes you into the domain of email marketing, an essential module within HubSpot for creating, managing, and analyzing email campaigns. Here, you'll find numerous features tailored to construct engaging email communications and dissect their reach and impact. After accessing the email section, it's time to create a new email. The new email option is easy to spot, prompting you to start crafting a fresh email campaign. By selecting this, you'll enter into a dynamic email editor where you can design your email's content, choose its layout, and personalize its elements to suit your audience's preferences. Once your email is drafted to your satisfaction, the crucial next step is to analyze its performance. Head over to the Analyze section. Here, HubSpot provides a robust analytics tool that allows you to track metrics like open rates, click rates, and recipient interaction rates. These insights are invaluable for understanding how well your communications are resonating with your audience, enabling you to refine your approach continuously. Throughout this process, remember that HubSpot's tools are designed with user-friendliness in mind, meaning you can easily navigate between these sections and access detailed analytics. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, these steps are structured to ensure you can effortlessly set up and monitor your email campaigns for optimal engagement. By following these clear steps, you'll be able to track exactly when your recipients open your emails, giving you deeper insights into your audience's behavior and helping you drive more effective marketing strategies. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to better connect with your audience using HubSpot's powerful email tracking features.